Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope all of you is good and fine. So today we are again with our analysis video. So I hope yesterday video helps you. So in yesterday video we predict that if BTC will break this level, we can see these three targets, and you can see that this all three targets hit. So you one like for these three targets. So maybe you will make good money from that analysis. Okay, so let's move on for today. So what to do today? So guys, today we have to see liquidation first. So this is the liquidation heat map chart, and we have more liquidity at the lower levels in 24 hours. If we see the 12 hours chart, we have liquidity of 51 million only above 100k. So I think maybe we can test 98,000, and after that we can see some good upside move. So don't go for the long now. Now wait, because if you want to long for the scalp, so just use the Fibonacci. Okay, so this is the good zone. Here you can plan your entries at the 99,000 or at 98,000 is the best entry for you guys. So maybe let's convert it into the 1 hour. So on 1 hour, the good entry for the BTC, maybe this is the last swing and this is the recent high. So maybe entry near this 97,000, below 98,000, you can make your entries. So this is the zone where you can make your entries, guys. Yes, this is the overall zone, 97,000 to 98,000. This is the overall zone. In 1 hour time frame, you can plan your entries in BTC. Okay, so guys, still if you are not our Telegram member, then join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description, and we provide free trades and lots of information in our Telegram channel. Or if you want to directly chat with me on WhatsApp, number is given on the screen, so you can message me directly. So from here, I think I can go for the short in BTC till this level, so you can open your trades. I think after taking the liquidity, we can see some drop in BTC. So this is the overall plan for the BTC. Let's move on to the gold. Okay guys, so let me remove all drawings. First clear the chart. Okay, so this is the very crucial zone for gold. If we see that, yes, this is the very crucial zone, and we are almost at the support. So this is the support zone. We are just near to the support. So after making the double top kind of pattern or something else, you can go for the buy side. Okay, or if you want to short, so for short, I think maybe you can short near this level. So this is the level where you can plan your shorts in gold. Don't go with the over quantity. So this is the zone, and targets for this is, so this will be the targets. First one is this. Okay, second one is this, and third one is this level. So these are the targets on the downside, or if it takes the liquidity from the downside and goes up, so you can plan your entries also. Okay, so this is the overall plan for the gold and BTC. Okay, I hope you like the analysis. So please like and comment. We'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye. See you. Take care.